Hi everyone, my name is Tamara. I'm part of the team Teaching Fish, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a great video. On today's video, we're going to be focusing on the basics, the little things that can make your video look more attractive and more professional. Let's go for it. First step, ask yourself, what do I want to express? Who am I doing this for? Think about your audience. Viewers need to know why they are watching your video. If you don't know where to start, begin by writing a script. Second step, find the perfect spot. Whether it's outside or inside, it's important to choose a place where we can hear you clearly and see you properly, which leads me to our third step. Good lighting beats a good camera. Record your video somewhere with good lighting. Sitting in front of a window is good enough. Natural light is your best friend, just don't sit with a window or light source behind you. Fourth step, before starting your video, choose how it will be recorded, horizontal or vertical. Don't change it mid-video unless you really have to. Fifth step, when using apps such as Canva, CapCut, or Edits, make sure to edit your video carefully. Create a clean transition, avoid heavy filters, and cut out awkward pauses. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like or subscribe, and see you on the next one.